Hi, boys and girls. This week we are going to continue to learn how to identify how two individuals are connected in a text. So how two things are the same in a text. Today we are going to read a text called Zookeepers and Vets. Zookeepers and Vets. This is an informational text. That means it's a text that's going to teach us about something. It's not a story. It's a text that teaches us. So it's called an informational text. We're going to read this text, so you guys have to listen up carefully. We're going to read this text, and then we're going to talk about how the two individuals in this text, which are zookeepers and vets, how they are connected, how they are the same. All right, let's get ready to read. Many people love animals. Some people even take care of animals as their jobs. Veterinarians or vets make animals well. Zookeepers take care of animals in a zoo. Both people make sure animals are healthy. So they said both the veterinarians and zookeepers, they both make sure that animals are healthy. But veterinarians, they're the ones who make animals feel better if they're sick. Zookeepers, they take care of animals that are in a zoo. The zookeepers feed animals every day. Some zookeepers even teach the zoo animals tricks. So zookeepers, they have to feed that same animal every day. And they even teach those animals tricks. Vets take care of animals that are hurt or sick. So veterinarians, they're the ones who take care of the animals that are hurt and sick. So they don't see the same animal every day. And they don't teach the animals new tricks. But they make sure that the animals feel better if they're hurt or sick. Veterinarians, they do not see the animals every day like zookeepers do. They only see them when the animals need help or a checkup. So we just listened to this informational text and we learned how zookeepers and vets are different. And we also learned how both of them are the same. So now we're going to answer the questions that are at the bottom. Number 1 says, what two individuals are being compared in this text? So what two individuals are being compared? What two things are being compared? Is it A, elephants and cats? Are elephants and cats being compared in this text? B, zookeepers and vets? Are zookeepers and vets the one that are being compared in this text? Meaning telling us how they're connected and how they are different? Or C, are people and animals being connected in this text, being compared in this text? What are the two things being compared? Is it A, elephants and cats, B, zookeepers and vets, or C, people and animals? Circle your answer. You're only circling one, either A, B, or C. All right, let's move down to number 2. How are they connected? So how are zookeepers and vets connected? That means how are they the same? Are they connected because A, they both teach animals tricks? Do both zookeepers and vets teach animals tricks? If you think so, circle A. Are they connected because B, they both see animals every day? Do zookeepers and vets both see the same animals every day? Or C, They both take care of animals and make sure they are healthy. Do both of them take care of animals and make sure those animals stay healthy? If you think so, circle C. Because I remember reading in the text, it said, both people make sure animals are healthy. That was a hint. Number 3, how are they different? We're going to circle 2 answers. You're going to circle 2 letters. So as I'm reading, if that's a way that they are different, circle it, okay? A, zookeepers take care of zoo animals. Do zookeepers take care of zoo animals? If that's how zookeepers are different, circle A. Because do vets take care of animals? Take care of zoo animals, excuse me. Do vets take care of zoo animals? I think only zookeepers take care of zoo animals. So you should have circled A. B, vets see the same animal every day. Do vets see the same animals every day? If you think so, circle B. C, vets take care of animals that are hurt or sick. Is that how a veterinarian is different from a zookeeper? Veterinarians take care of animals that are hurt and sick. If that's how it's different than a zookeeper, circle C. So you should have circled 2 answers on number 3. All right, boys and girls, awesome job. Make sure that your name is on your paper. If you have not written your name, go ahead and write it right now. Now, after you have written your name, turn your paper into the black basket. And if there is still time, if we have not switched yet, it is time to go and read a book somewhere around the room away from anyone else. You should be reading by yourself.